Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll demonstrate and show you how to remove and replace tail light on Dodge Charger, guys. That should be the generation for 2005 all the way until 2010. The newer ones might even be close to that, but we don't know yet. This one you can see right here, it's cracked. That's how we purchased it, so we want to replace it. The new replacement one is only like 45 bucks. Okay, let's see what we got. It's on a factory one, but hey, aftermarket 45 bucks. If it looks the same as factory, it's pretty good for a new one. Nothing complicated about one. Tail light. Okay, and it even comes, okay, let's see if it comes with the bulbs too. That would be crazy if it comes. Yep, it comes with bulbs. If you go to parts store just for the bulbs, we're gonna pay half the price. Okay, so everything looks good so far. So let's go ahead and replace it now. So what you guys need to do, you will need to open the trunk, okay, and now right here we need to remove that twisty thing all the way, and there is two more after that. When you pull the carpet out, okay, you can see there is one there in the bottom. Go ahead and remove that one. One on top. And now the wires that we need to release. Okay, that red thing. Okay, we need to slide it out. Once we get it out, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You need to press down and pull on the wires. Okay, and okay, that's where you need to press, right here, and pull it out. And now you guys grab that tail light and you just pull it out. That's the tail light right there. So we're gonna get the new one now, the replacement, and all we're going to do is install it. And this one even has the little foamy thing, so we don't need to install that one. Okay, let's see how it's going to fit now. So it just pushes in. Comes with the plastic trim on the side and everything. So I think it's pretty good deal. Okay, you need to make sure that you get all the holes right. Okay, everything looks good on this side. Okay, right there now. So what we'll need to do, just install the three nuts and the wires. Okay, so what we have to do right now, we just need to install the twisty nut. One of them, we already got it now, just two more, push the wires. The other red thing, we recommend to install it. We dropped ours somewhere, so we don't want to remove the whole carpeting for it. It's just a safety thing, so you cannot accidentally push it down, but you cannot do that even though you have to remove the carpeting thing. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you remove and replace tail light on Dodge Charger. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.